Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 4. Name of the chapter is profit and loss. Along with this we will do bills also. Profit and loss and bills. And this is our lecture number 2. Today's subtopics are we will continue our exercise 4A. Questions 7, 8 and 10 we will do today. And along with this we will do introduction to bills. Introduction to bills. Right? So let's start with exercise 4A. Exercise 4A, question number 7. Joy bought, it is the name of the child, Joy. Joy bought pens at rupees 120 a dozen. He sold it for rupees 15 each. What is his profit percent? Profit percent we have to find out. It is clear from this question that we have to find out the profit and then profit percent. Joy bought pens at rupees 120 a dozen. एक दर्जन पेन जॉय ने 120 रुपीज के परचेज किए और बेचे कैसे 15 रुपीज का हर पेन. ईच मतलब हर एक पेन के 15 रुपीज उसने लिए. What is his profit percent? So how we will start? First of all, we should mention here 1 dozen means 12 items or 12 things. Okay. So cost price of 12 pens is equal to rupees 120. Okay. And now we will find out the selling price of 12 pens. After that we will find out the profit. Selling price of 1 pen is given to us. Rupees 15. Okay. So now we will find out selling price of 12 pens. Now selling price of 12 pens. Is equal to rupees 15 multiplied by 12. 12 fives are 60. 12 ones are 12 plus 6. 80. Now see, selling price, cost price is rupees 120 and selling price is rupees 180. Definitely profit is there because selling price is more than cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Right? Directly we can't find out profit percent. First of all, we will find out profit. So profit is equal to rupees 180 minus rupees 120. 180 minus 120. It's 80 minus 12. 6. So 60 rupees is a profit. Now profit percent. We have done in previous lecture. Profit or loss will happen on cost price. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100%. Right? So profit is rupees 60 upon cost price rupees 120. Here it is given, cost price into 100%. Cancel the 0. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. So he got profit of 50. Profit percent is 50%. Understood? In this way you will find out the solution. Now let's do our next question. Question number 8. Simi bought a study table. Simi bought, Simi is a name, a study table for rupees 9,000. She sold it at a profit of 20%. How much profit did she make? How much profit did she make? And next, one more question is that what is the selling price? What is the selling price? Price. Okay. Now, first of all, understand the question. Simi bought a study table. Simi एक study table purchase करके आई 9,000 rupees. Okay. She sold it at a profit of 20% और फिर इसको 20% के profit पे उसने सेल कर दिया, बेच दिया. How much profit did she make? उसको कितना profit हुआ? Profit percent is given. We have to find out the profit. And what is the selling price? After that, we will find out the selling price of the study table. Okay. So first of all, write down the things which are given. First of all, it is given to us cost price. Rupees 9,000. And then profit percent. That is 20%. Profit percent is given, so we can find out profit. Profit और लॉस हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस पे होता है. तो 20% का प्रॉफिट किस पे हुआ? 9,000 रुपीज पे उसको 20% का प्रॉफिट हुआ ना. सो प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 20% ऑफ CP. बेटा दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप इन योर माइंड. वी आर गेटिंग प्रॉफिट और लॉस ऑलवेज ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस. So 20% profit on rupees 9,000. Okay. So profit is equal to 20% of. Of means multiply CP rupees 9,000. Percent means you know upon 100 per 100. Percent out of 100. So we can write down 20 upon 100 multiply rupees 9,000. Now cancel the zeros. One more zero. Right? Now 900 multiplied to 1800. So rupees 1,800 is the profit. And now we have to find out selling price also. If profit is there, then what will be selling price? You know that formula. Cost price plus profit. Okay. So rupees 9,000 plus rupees 1,800. Do addition. Zero, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. So what is the selling price of table? 1 stands under 1,000, 10,000. 10,800 is the cost price of the selling price of the table. Understood? If profit is given, we can find out profit percent. If profit percent is given, then also we can find out profit. Now I am reading question number 9. Find the selling price if cost price is rupees 1,200 and loss percent is 25. It is same as we have done question number 8. Loss percent is given. So first of all we will find out loss, and then with this loss and cost price we will find out selling price. So this question I am leaving for you. You have to try. Next is question number 10. Mihir bought 20 refills. Mihir bought 20 refills. Refills जो पेन के अंदर आपके रिफिल्स डले होते हैं, that as refills. इनको फिर से फिल कर सकते हैं, refill, and sold them at rupees 4 each. If it had cost rupees 50 for the refills, what was his profit or loss percent? What was his profit or loss percent? Okay. So let's understand the question first. Mihir bought 20 refills and sold them at rupees 4 each. Mihir ने 20 refills purchase किए. कितने के purchase किए? That is given here. Cost is rupees 50. So cost price of 20 refills is rupees 50. और sold कैसे किए? रुपये 4 दिए एक रिफिल के, उसको रुपीज 4 दिए. 1 रुपये 4 रुपीज में उसने 1 रिफिल सोल्ड किया. 50 रुपीज में परचेज किया और एक रिफिल का सेलिंग प्राइस गिवन है तो हमें 20 का निकालना है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट हिज प्रॉफिट और लॉस परसेंट. सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? कॉस्ट प्राइस is given to us rupees 50 and selling price we have to count for 20 refills. If one refill cost rupees 4, then 20 refills cost rupees 80. यानी कि 50 रुपए की खरीदे और 80 रुपए में मिहिर ने उनको बेच दिया. So selling price is more than cost price. So he is getting profit here. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to rupees 80 minus rupees 50. So he got profit of 30 rupees. 50 रुपए खरीदे और 80 रुपए में बेच दिए तो 30 रुपीज का मेरे को हो गया प्रॉफिट. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट परसेंट. If you want, you can do this calculation in rough column also. You can write down directly cost price rupees 50, selling price rupees 80. Okay. Now profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiply 100%. So profit is rupees 30. Cost price rupees 50 multiply 100%. Right? Rupees will cancel. 50 ones are 50. 50 twos are 100. 30 twos are 60. So he got 60% profit. Now our exercise 4A has been completed. Profit and loss topic has been completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask in query section. In that online classes, you can ask the problems. Okay. And now I will tell you about bills. Now listen to me. What is this bill? Bill is the slip of paper. Slip of paper on which a shopkeeper notes down the requirements of a customer and calculates the total cost of items purchased. Is called a bill. Okay, so what is the bill? The slip of paper. वो पेपर की स्लिप जिसके ऊपर आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट बता रहे थे शॉपकीपर को. शॉपकीपर ने रिक्वायरमेंट्स को नोट डाउन किया और फिर उसकी कॉस्ट लिखी और उसको कैलकुलेट किया और टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स उस स्लिप पे लिखी है. दैट स्लिप इज नोन एज बिल. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू गो टू द मार्केट. व्हाट आर द एक्टिविटीज डन बाय you and by the shopkeeper. When you reach to a shop, the shopkeeper asks you about the items or goods you want to purchase. At that time, you tell the name of the items which you want to purchase, and customer, when as a customer you tell the name of the items, the shopkeeper notes down and shopkeeper उन items के नाम लिखता जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल टेल द क्वांटिटी. आपको जो भी सामान आइटम परचेज करना है, गुड्स परचेज करने हैं, कितना परचेज करना है. आफ्टर दैट शॉपकीपर कैलकुलेट्स द प्राइस ऑफ ईच आइटम. नोट डाउन करता है और उसका प्राइस कैलकुलेट करता है. एंड देन ही फाइंड्स द टोटल प्राइस ऑफ ऑल द गुड्स एंड आइटम्स. उन सारी आइटम्स और गुड्स के प्राइसेस को वो टोटल करता है जो आपने उसको एज अ रिक्वायरमेंट बताई, जो आपको चाहिए थी. After that, shopkeeper gives that slip to the customer. Means आपको फिर वो slip provide करता है. As you reach to purchase the goods, so he provides that slip to you, and that slip is known as bill. And after that, you calculate that, verify that, and after that you make the payment. You make the पेमेंट, आप फिर उसकी पेमेंट कर देते हो। ओके, सो शॉपकीपर डज नॉट वांट टू मेक अ मिस्टेक इन कैलकुलेशन। अंडरस्टूड? बहुत ध्यान से शॉपकीपर वहां पे कैलकुलेशन करता है ताकि उसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं हो, जिससे उसका नुकसान नहीं हो, राइट? तो वो अलग अलग पर्चियों पे नहीं लिखता है, वो एक सेल्स बुक में लिखता है जिसको बोलते हैं बिल बुक। ईच पेज ऑफ दिस बुक इज कॉल्ड सेल्स स्लिप और बिल, और इसका हर पेज बिल कहलाता है। ओके, और उस बिल पे क्या क्या मेंशन होता है? जब आप बिल लेकर आते हो तो उस पे क्या क्या मेंशन होता है? नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ द शॉप, नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ द शॉप। देन सेकेंड थिंग क्या होती है? नेम ऑफ द कस्टमर, नेम ऑफ द कस्टमर। आपका नाम भी लिखेगा, आपने बिल लिया ना, परचेज किया आपने आइटम्स, नेम ऑफ द कस्टमर। एंड देन एड्रेस एंड फोन नंबर ऑफ द कस्टमर, कस्टमर का एड्रेस और फोन नंबर। देन डेट, जिस डेट पे आपने आइटम्स परचेज की। ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द आइटम्स में थोड़ी सी डिटेल लिखता है। ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द आइटम्स परचेज्ड। देन क्वांटिटी, कितनी आइटम्स आपने परचेज की, जैसे पेन परचेज की तो कितने नंबर में, अगर दाल परचेज की है, चावल परचेज किए तो कितने किलोग्राम। देन टोटल मनी डिमांडेड, 7 रुपए टोटल मनी डिमांडेड। एंड देन एट लास्ट सिग्नेचर ऑफ द शॉपकीपर। 8 पॉइंट पे क्या होता है? सिग्नेचर ऑफ द शॉपकीपर। सिग्नेचर को शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं साइन। ओके, सो दीज आर द terms which are shown in the bill. Understood? One more thing you should know, that there are different kinds of bills, like electricity bill, water bill, telephone bills, shopping bills, bills for services performed for a particular job, school fee bills, etc. So there are different types of bills. So in next class we will study how to prepare the bill. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do questions one and two of worksheet. In maths notebook, maths practice notebook. These questions are based on profit and loss. So these are the statement sums. You have to write down the question also and then solution in proper way. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 1. Discussion of lecture 1. So take out your notebooks and pen. You have to check your answers. If you are getting mistake, then you will do correction work of that question 2 times. Question number 3 was given, 3, 4, 5 were given. in November. A TV set was bought of rupees 18,950 and sold at a loss of rupees 4,780. Find the selling price. So, what was given to us? Cost price was given and loss was given. Match your answers. 18,950. Cost price and then loss was given in our question. Rupees 4,780. 18,950 का टीवी परचेज किया और उस पर नुकसान हुआ 4,780. Then we have to find out the selling price. If loss is there, then you know the formula, cost price minus loss. So rupees 18,950 minus rupees 4,780. Do subtraction. 4,780. Write carefully. Don't write here 4780 then one more zero. That will be wrong. 50 minus 8. 7. And now 8 minus 7. 1. 8 minus 4. 4. 1 minus 0. 1. So it is rupees 14,170. Right? Have you got the correct answer? Yes? Good. If no, then do correction work. Next question was question number 4. Question number 4. A second-hand car was sold for 1,90,000 rupees at a loss of 85,000 rupees. Find the cost price of the car. So what are the given things? Selling price of car is given. If you are writing only selling price, that is also correct. Rupees 1,90,000. Loss is given. Rupees 85,000. And we have to find out cost price. Selling price and loss are given, then cost price is selling price plus loss. Learn these formulas carefully. Okay, now put the values here. Rupees 85,000. Do addition. Have you done the addition there? Do on that same page. Don't do addition on somewhere else. Put 0 here. Now add this. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 8. 17. 1 plus 1, 2. 2,75,000. Cost price 2,75,000 था और selling price 1,90,000. Loss हुआ 85,000. Right? Next question is question number 5. Jolly sold her genset for rupees 20,000 at the profit of rupees 1,737. Find the cost price of genset. But a genset is a diesel generator. डीजल के जनरेटर का नाम होता है जेनसेट. ओके, तो जॉली ने कितने का सोल्ड किया? 20,000 रुपीज का जेनसेट. सेलिंग प्राइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 it is given 20,000 rupees and she got the profit of rupees 1,737, right? So we have to find out the cost price. अगर प्रॉफिट हुआ तो कॉस्ट प्राइस कम होगा या ज्यादा? कम होगा, है ना? तो फॉर्मूला याद आया, selling price minus profit. Rupees 20,000 minus rupees 1,737. Now, after subtraction, we will find out the answer. 10 minus 9 minus 3. 0 था ना, 10 हो गया. Here it is 9991. 6, 2, 9 minus 1, 8, 1 minus 0, 1. So cost price is rupees 18,263. Understood? If you have got correct answers, it's very good. Otherwise, do correction work 2 times. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.